Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you a new plugin for Ramberg-Osgood relationship street string model. And this is one of the oldest steel string model, which is used particularly for those steel which have a hardening behavior. So here is the original equation, and you can see the number of parameters that we need to input, and a very comprehensive information here available. Additionally, this is the original street string on Ramberg-Osgood model, and how we can get this one and then do a simulation, see how the result is. The last one here is a comprehensive reference. You can check in let's know how this model works, and particularly for which type of steel. And here is the plugin that I have developed. Is we can give the name of the model that we want to utilize this model, and also the steel that we want to use it. Additionally, we have some input. So we should import, especially the modulus elasticity, the portion ratio. And if in case, if you're using dynamic analysis, you should introduce the density as well. And additional parameter for the Ramberg-Osgood model we need is the yield strength of the material and the hardening part, which you can see in the equation that n. So you can come to here how n is can be fine with this, but in the model that n should be greater 5. So we suppose it is like 7 or 10. And the maximum engineering strength. When you test that material, you will get a maximum strain energy strain. So maximum you can input here. And then the last one is the number of plot you want. So suppose this is the number of plot. So 1.1 segment 2, and this is the number. So as much as you request more, so you will get a very smooth curve. And additionally, this plugin can be used to give some introduce some ductility for this material, also available, but it's not recommended. You don't need to check it. If you check, then you can introduce, or it automatically calculate for this material the ductility as well. And here is the option. You can preview the material graphs as well. And anchoring stress, which means the starting stress will be 0.5. You can change it as you wish. And we go to the program, and here is the plugin. And my model is model 1, and I'm giving you Q235, which is a very popular Chinese structural steel, but it's not hardening, but you can use it. So, and this 2 is okay, and 3 is also okay. We give just chain 235 nominal, and the hardening let's be 8. Let's be 10. And as I know, I have tested this, it's about 25%, 24% strain, maximum engineering strain. And I gave that number of points should be 50 for me, and I keep this one unchecked. So this can be from start from 1. And in the material, it automatically create for me called steel ROQ23. And you can come to here, density, you can change, and the data. If I want to plot this, create, and I go to the visualization, and I have this curve called this one, and this is the RO or Ramberg-Osgood model. So now I came to my model. So I have generated a model, a beam column, and I want to use this model. So here I want to change this model to the giving material, and you can see then I will so the rest is okay, loading everything, and I want to go to job and create a job. So after we job created called steel beam column joint, we analyzed with this data, and we got this result. So here is the result of the beam column joint. And if I want to, let's go to some the good thing is you can use for shell elements, also for solid elements as well. So here is, and I'm going to plot the resist response, delete this one, and I'm going to create the resist response, which is very important to combine and swap, because I have giving I'm giving a node point, a reference point, and then push pull in this direction. So I'm going to plot it, and here is the resistance curve. So this curve is very smooth and very nice with deterioration as well. So you can use this one and simulate some experimental works. So this was a very simple work that I did. If I go to like considering some animation, and you can see the if I introduce damage to this model, so then this red area will be removed. So suppose that I have applied this damage, and I want to compare the result with the damage behavior as well. So here is a job, and I have introduced called damage. So in the damage, you can see the results. So these two elements is removed from the after it reached to that damage strain. So now we can go create a new one from this damage area, from this damage, and we're gonna combine, swap, and we can get these results. Yeah, the peak strength is almost same, but the deterioration is quite large because the program removed after that reached the real strength. So okay, now you can actually access this plugin by joining my YouTube channel, and also requesting a copy of this model. Thank you.